Sometimes life feels very loud. People talk a lot. Social media is noisy. Everyone shows success. Everyone shares achievements. Everyone wants attention. But real growth does not happen in noise. Real growth happens in silence. This message is for you, for the one who is trying quietly, for the one who is learning slowly, for the one who feels unseen but keeps going. You may feel like no one notices your effort. You may feel like your hard work has no reward. You may feel tired, confused, or lost. But listen carefully. Silence does not mean you are failing. Silence means you are preparing. Some of the strongest people in the world grow quietly. They do not talk too much. They do not show everything. They focus on improvement, not approval. You do not need to explain your dreams to everyone. You do not need to prove yourself every day. Do not need permission to become better. When you work in silence, you protect your focus. You protect your energy. You protect your peace. Many people talk about their goals. Few people actually work for them. Talking is easy. Working is hard. But you chose the hard path. And that is why your journey matters. Some days you wake up motivated. Some days you feel empty. Some days you doubt yourself. That is normal. Growth is not always exciting. Sometimes it is boring. Sometimes it is painful. Sometimes it is lonely. But it is always worth it. When no one is clapping for you, clap for yourself. When no one believes in you, believe in yourself. When no one understands your struggle, understand yourself. Silence teaches discipline. Discipline builds strength. Strength creates results. You may feel slow, but slow progress is still progress. Do not compare your chapter 1 to
someone else's chapter 20.
Everyone moves at a different speed. Everyone has a different story. Your only job is to move forward. Even one small step is enough. Some people will doubt you. Some people will laugh at your dreams. Some people will ignore your effort. Let them. Their opinions do not define your future. Your actions do. Work when others are sleeping. Learn when others are complaining. Improve when others are waiting. Silence gives you clarity. It helps you hear your own voice. It helps you understand what you truly want. Noise distracts. Silence builds. Every skill you practice quietly becomes confidence later. Every mistake you fix alone becomes wisdom later. Every hard day you survive becomes strength later. You do not need fast success. You need lasting success. Fast success often disappears. Quiet success stays forever. Think about a seed. Grows underground. No one sees it. No one praises it. But it keeps growing. One day, it breaks the soil. And everyone is surprised. That is how real success works. Your silent work today is your visible result tomorrow. Do not rush your process. Do not pressure yourself too much. Do not quit just because it is hard. Hard does not mean impossible. Hard means meaningful. Some days you will feel like giving up. Pause. Breathe. Rest if you need to. But do not stop. Progress does not come from motivation alone. It comes from consistency. Even when motivation is gone, discipline stays. Silence helps discipline grow. You start waking up on time. You start practicing daily. You start learning patiently. You start improving naturally. No drama, no noise, just effort. You do not need to post every achievement. You do not need to tell everyone your plan. Need validation. Your growth is personal. Your journey is personal. Protect it. There is power in staying quiet and focused. There is power in improving without announcing. There is power in letting results speak. One day, people will ask you, how did you do it? They did not see the silent nights. They did not see the self-doubt. They did not see the failures. They did not see the tears. But you did. And that is enough. Remember this. Silence is not hiding. Silence is building. Silence is where confidence grows. Silence is where character is formed. Silence is where dreams become real. Keep working, keep learning, keep believing, even when no one is watching, even when no one is cheering, even when it feels slow. Your effort is not wasted. Your struggle is not useless. Your time is not lost. Everything you are doing is shaping you, becoming stronger. You're becoming wiser. You are becoming ready. So stay calm, stay patient, stay focused. Keep working in silence, and let your success make the noise.